What is going on, YouTube? Thanks for joining my channel today to watch this video of me making an aluminum Goonies coin. I'm making the coin out of a 3D printed coin that I found on thingiverse.com. I'm using my homemade backyard foundry to melt the aluminum to make this coin. If you're interested, the link will be in the top right-hand corner of the screen. I'm using greensand to make an imprint from the 3D printed coin that I, again, 3D printed to make a cavity in the mold for when I pour the molten aluminum into it. It will then harden and take form of the cavity, and you'll see that in a bit. Stay tuned. Hey guys, thanks again for sticking around to the end and seeing the final piece. If you like the video, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and you'll see more like this on any upcoming videos I have coming out.